Hi, watching a new video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, some nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this topic. Category 5. Category 7. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 9 categories of rooms are enjoy your stay. 7 you are planning to book in, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem with this property, you can tell us why any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends will be